Welcome back, guys. Today we have the Better Homes and Garden 2-drawer farmhouse writing desk. We're going to get it out the box, put it together, and check it out. Here's our instructions. Here's all the parts and hardware. Inside we have the power adapter, wooden pegs, cam locks, cam bolts, and everything else we need. For the first step, we're going to place 2 cam bolts into the designated small holes on the legs with a Phillips screwdriver. On the D and E legs, we'll place 2 cam bolts. Next, we're going to glue 6 30mm wood pegs into the side holes of the F and G stretchers. Now we're going to place 2 cam locks on the F side stretcher and use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it into the D and B legs. Make sure when you're putting on the cam locks to have the opening facing the cam bolts, then just lock it in with the screwdriver. Now we're going to repeat the same process, attaching the other F side stretcher to the C and E legs. Next, we're going to glue 4 40mm wood pegs into the top hole of legs B, C, D, and E. Now we're going to attach the left leg assembly to the left corners of the desktop with 4 bolts and 4 washers. We're not going to fully tighten them until we flip the desk on its legs so that the desk is stable and doesn't wobble. Next, we're going to attach the back stretcher G to the rear leg D by inserting the wood peg into the drilled hole, making sure the cam lock hole faces inward. Then align and attach the right leg assembly to the desktop and insert the wood peg on the end of the back stretcher G into the drilled hole on the right rear leg E. Then insert 4 57mm bolts with washers through the corner blocks into legs C and E and fasten the back stretcher into place with 2 cam locks. Each leg has its own leveler on the bottom that you can adjust. Now we'll stand the desk upright and plug in the cam lock covers. Next, we'll connect the AC-DC adapter with the USB hub pre-installed on the right side of the desk. Now we'll check to make sure the desk is stable. Next, we'll fully tighten the screws on the desk. The USB charging hubs are a really nice feature for charging your devices right on your desk. The drawers open and close smoothly. I like that the drawers came pre-assembled as well. The desk has a smooth feel to it. I really like this desk. It's affordable and has plenty of room to work with. The corners of the desk are a bit pointy, but other than that, it's a great desk and serves its purpose. I picked this desk up from Walmart, and if you want to check it out, I'll leave the Walmart link in the description.